Our next activity would be special com. So first, let's create a polygon with 6 sides and center at the origin and was circumscribed about circle. It will be having a radius of 0.875. Okay. Okay, next would be a circle. A circle at its center at origin again and has a diameter of 2.76. Next would be a horizontal line from the origin and has a length of 1.5. The other end of this line would be the center of the ellipse that will be creating. So this ellipse will be having its width 2.125 and length of 3.25. So next, we're going to bisect this ellipse. Create a circle with a radius of 0.75 and another circle with a radius of 3.62. Since we will not be using all parts of the circle, we're going to trim the unnecessary ones, okay? So next, let's create a circle with a radius of 0.5 from this part, okay? And again, trim the unnecessary lines and arcs. Okay, next would be another circle with a radius of 0.25. I use this lock button to avoid the other lines from moving, because what I wanted to do is to tangent these the circle with a radius of 0.25 with this circle and the arc from the first and the arc from the biggest circle which has a radius of 3.62. So it will be formed like this, and again we're going to trim the unnecessary arcs. Okay, next I'm going to click these 3 arcs and the mirror button to create another part, to create another figure that's the same as this one. Then trim all unneeded figures. So next we're going to create a circle with a radius of 0 with a diameter of 0.63. And lastly, delete all unnecessary lines, figures, arcs, and etc. Since we have finished sketching the 2D model of the special cam, we'll now be moving to dimensioning. So as always in dimensioning, just click that to 2 ends of the figure that you wanted to measure. Okay, next, um, if you wanted to add, if you wanted to change the precision and the color of the dimension, click the annotate tab, and a there is a small button on the corner of it with an arrow on it, a corner of it, and click this and the modify button. Then change the color of the text to green and the precision from 0.000 to 0.00 and set as current.